So I hear two things, and I think they are kind of related with regard to the environment. Concrete really is only suitable for certain environments. And then the other common misconception around the environment is that concrete is somehow bad for or damages the environment that it's installed. Can you talk a little bit about concrete and the environments where it's a good fit, and then whether or not concrete in some way would be detrimental to the environment?
Yeah, sure. We'll start with kind of which environments are good for concrete. And what I love about concrete is its versatility. Okay, so if you look at our product photos on our website, you'll see it looks the same in a lot of different environments. A lot of times we'll have a similar thickness or a standard beam size, but you have the option to make it stronger without actually changing the piece sizes many times. We had a project in Lake Tahoe that had a snow load of between 200 and 300 pounds a square foot. So this loading condition might be 2 or 3 times what a normal boardwalk is. But rather than having to redesign the whole system, we're able to do things like put more rebar in our concrete or use a higher strength concrete to satisfy those specific site conditions for strength. So it has a strength versatility component, but it also has a durability versatility. We do projects in moderate climates where standard rebar and a standard concrete mix works just great, but we also do some projects that are down in coastal applications, and they might have a lot of salt water or very cold climates. And what we're able to do is design the concrete itself, like the mix design, to be better suited for those environments. We can do that with air entrainment, admixtures, and coming up with a concrete mix that's going to be really suited for that specific environment, whether it be coastal, hot, or cold. And then also the rebar. The other main component to reinforced concrete is the steel rebar. And so for harsher climates, we have the option to use either epoxy-coated steel or sometimes more of a chromium-infused steel, something that has more corrosion inhibiting ability. So the versatility really makes it where it's not really constrained to a certain type of geography or a certain type of climate.